What's up, y'all? Decided to post another full pack video. I had found this little spot. I was always close to the spot, and I said I was gonna come over here and fly, but I never did. I'm glad I decided to fly today because this is just a real good pack. A couple good packs actually, because this is like the best I've flown in a long time. So yeah, I'm just using the Air65. This drone is pretty good. I mean, I don't really have too much to say about it because everybody knows about the Air65 or whatever, but you know, it's just a really good ass drone, and I was just ripping this little spot up. They had some kids around. They was loving this. You know, they was loving it. It's been about a week since I had the Air65, and 4 days again. I broke the camera and the canopy. But I mean, it was a quick fix. It was a simple fix and didn't require any soldering, so that's always a good thing. And then today, as you're watching this, I broke the frame, so I went ahead and replaced it with a newbie drone frame, which is what you see in the picture. And went ahead and added an Ortson antenna and whatnot. But yeah, I don't got too much to say. I'm just in the car. Decided to do a little voiceover because I wasn't talking much through this pack. But yeah, enjoy this little flight. Let me know how I did.